My name is Sasha Terfous, and I am a spoken word poet. This poem is called The Golden Ones. We exist between the borders of pride and hope, dancing by the edges of back home and out yonder. We have worked this land. With brass, wood, and steel, we have crafted nations from honor, bone, and sweat. We are the chosen. These streets we call home have warped their paths around legend, shaped by the granddads and the owl lads, warmed by the nannies and the mas. Our bellies are jaundiced with history, rife with ballads. This land of ours is rich with stories sealed in song. We are the descendants of Folkvanger and Valhalla, presidents, musicians, distillers, and commanders. We are farmers, artists, sailors, and news agents. The backbone, the forgotten people, left to thrive in secret. Our folk are preserved by monument and park. Our tales do not end at coastline and port. We extend beyond beach and bay. It is where we are going to. It is where we are coming from. It is the white, the black, the brown, the beige, the emerald fields and silver towns, the skies of blue and crests of purple, the borders of pride and hope, the burgundy of back home, the blue and pink of out yonder, with brass, wood, and steel, from honor, bone, and sweat, the forgotten people, the backbone, the chosen, for we are the golden ones.